As Lovie Smith liked to preach, we just finished the first quarter of the season, and you can't do any better than 4-0 in any quarter. And that's what both my partner and Brenda sure did the first 4 weeks of our Challenge Perfect 4-0 records. Will the second quarter be equally as good for these two? Well, here's Pete McMurray with Bears, Bagels, and Brenda.
Hi guys, we're at the Bagel Restaurant in Delhi. This is Brenda. Brenda, let's talk week 6, the Bears at the Dolphins.
Yeah, the Dolphins are kind of a hot mess. They've missed the postseason 8 times in the last 9 years.
Yep.
Last year, with Ryan Tannehill's knee injury,
I know where you're going.
Coach Adam Gase decided to pull Jay Cutler out of retirement instead of using his own backup, David Fales. How did that work out for them?
It didn't.
Not very good. But this year they acquired Danny Amendola as a wide receiver from the Patriots. I think that could possibly make a huge difference for them.
Okay, so Bears at the Dolphins, who are you going to take?
Let's take the Dolphins.
You're taking the Dolphins. Okay, guys, I'm going to take the Bears. Back to you.
Of course you are, Pete. I was pretty impressed by Brenda's first 4 picks, but now I have lost all respect for her. How could she pick the Dolphins?
I'll tell you what, she fell off the wagon pretty quick there.
Yeah, well, she better not ask to get back on. Someone's going to be alone at the top. At 5-0, the rest of us took the Bears. This is exciting, isn't it? We should sell tickets to this. You against Brenda.
That would be quite a show. I think we'd sell more tickets this week. I can't believe she went with the Fizz. There's no way.
And I'm still waiting for food.